video is based on Birchbox. As you can see, I'm filming from a slightly different location. Yes, we're located in my living room at the minute. The light is pretty good in here, and I thought I'd switch things up because I'm just finishing stuff upstairs for my dressing room. Yeah, I actually searched on the internet as well and got a code which gave me a free box. I didn't actually have anything in the box, but it gave me another pretty box to go with it. So anyway, today I'm going to show you exactly what I got in my August Birchbox. If you are new to Birchbox, then basically when you sign up, you need to fill in a profile that's obviously based on your skincare or the things that you like. So basically it asked me whether I was interested in like tanning, you know, I think it asked what my age range was, and sort of so that they can sort of decipher what kind of products that would be better for you. So I filled all that in, and my Birchbox came within about a week. The app is really good to use, and yeah, it gave me up-to-date progress of where my Birchbox was up to. So let's get into looking at what I got in my Birchbox. Right, so this was the design of the Birchbox. As you can see, it's based on a bit of a tropical theme. As you can see there with a nice sloth in the corner. I believe there's a lot of different designs that you can get as well, which look really cute, but they're so nice because they're kind of like reusable drawers. I think once you finish with the stuff in there, you can actually stack them up and make a little drawer set, which I think would be really nice to do. Right, so let's have a look at the first item that I got in here. There's a sneaky peek of everything inside. So the first thing that I can see here is this pink. It's called, it's by Dr. Botanicals. It's called Po. I believe that's how to pronounce it. And it's basically a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Now, I'm just about to be able to read this on the back. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening and allow to soak in. So yeah, 2 to 3 times a week. It is actually sealed. Let's just open it. These are really good as well for like traveling, because they're kind of like, these are like miniature sizes. That actually smells good enough to eat, to be fair. That is gorgeous. So yeah, so that's the first one. You get a few little pamphlets in your Birchbox, and basically inside it actually gives you a little write-up as to what that is about. So yeah, that's lovely. Can't wait to use that then. Right, the next thing that's in here is the Polar, which is a 30 SPF sunscreen. It's a lovely travel size. Obviously, I was looking for a sunscreen because I'm about to go to Greece. So I know I'm gonna take the 20 that I got last week, and I'm gonna take this 30 as well. Because I wanna, obviously it says it's for face and body. I wanna sort of protect my skin a little bit. I'm hoping it's gonna be hot out there and I can get some pool time. So yeah, this is says that it sinks in really quickly, doesn't give you any white residue, which is really good. Can be good for your face and body, but don't forget to top it up throughout the day. So yeah, that looks really, really good. So I'm trying that one out. Right, sticking onto the little tubes, we've got the Lucetta coconut milk hair mask. This is supposed to restore damaged, dry or colour treated hair. That was part of the question actually. It asked you a question about your hair. Mine is dyed, so obviously you had to state whether your hair was dyed or not. So obviously that's why mine's colour treated. So that was one of the questions. So yeah, it's got natural vitamin rich coconut milk to help restore the hair to its former glory and banish dryness long term. Leave your strands soft and manageable. You're meant to leave it to soak into your hair for 10 minutes and then wash away with shampoo. So yeah, so that's a hair mask. Let's just have a little smell. Oh, the smell of coconut. Doesn't it just remind you that you're on holiday? So that would be really, really nice actually. And what's really interesting as well is that it's free of sulfates and paraben and gluten. So that one's really, really good. I like that. In your pamphlet as well, it does give you the RRP for the big sizes, because obviously this is just a tiny size. The recommended retail price for this is 26 quid, you know, for a jar of it. So to be fair, to get that sample in your Birchbox is really worth the £10 that you spend on your Birchbox. Obviously this one was recommended at £25 for a full size, and then this one is at £14.90 for a full size. So Birchbox is really, really worth it. Right, the next couple of things that I got was makeup. So the first one was this Dirty Little Secret, and comes in some really cute packaging. Let's just open it. Right, I've got it in the colour Fetch. And it is a eyeshadow crayon. Yeah, so it twists up at the bottom, which is really good. I haven't tried this at all, but let me just give it a little swatch here. Oh, that looks so nice. It's actually really nice as sort of like a highlight. You know, you could probably pop it on your little brow bone there, or you could wear it in the corners. I think I've got some sort of shimmery stuff on today. And it's really, really nice. It's not massively strong. So I have to cover my face up because it keeps focusing on my face. It's not massively strong, but it does look really, really nice. So yeah, that looks really good. I think the other colour was supposed to be gold plated. And I think you basically got one or the other. This one was £10.50, and this is a full size as well. So this is RRP £10.50. Now the Birchbox itself was only £10. You've already got your money's worth. Last but not least, because you do get 5 items in Birchbox. This isn't sponsored by Birchbox, by the way, but I just wanted to share what I got this month. So this one was, it's only a travel size again, but it's a baked highlighter. It's by a brand called Model Co. And it's in the colour Moonshine. Right, so that's basically what it looks like. The write-up about it, it's an instant complexion illuminator. Just swirl a fluffy brush across the marble powder and sweep over cheekbones to form that lit from within glow. So let's just give this a swatch. I don't know whether you can see that. It's not the best at focusing, is it? Let me take it down to my hand here. That was the eyeshadow. And then this one, I don't know whether you can see that, was the highlight. It is subtle, but to be fair, when you put it on your face, you don't want it to stand out too much. So yeah, I'm going to give that a whirl, and I'll give my verdict at some point. It is quite subtle, but we'll just have to see. We'll have to try it out. So yeah, so that's the Model Co. Moonshine highlighter. Right, so that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to do another Birchbox for next month. I'm going to do these every month now. And I can keep you informed as to what I receive in my box next month. So if you aren't subscribed, so if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!